Alright, I'm going to go over this electronic clock kit that's pretty popular on eBay. A lot of people can't figure out how to program it. So right now I got a program for 0838. Right now it's 0838. So let's we'll program it for 0930. This clock is only 24-hour clock. It's military time only. You can't set it to 12 hours. So let's go ahead and start. Everything for programming surrounds by the S1 and S2 switch. So to get in the program, you press and hold the S1 switch. Brings you to submenu A, which is the hours. And what you do, you set it with the S2 switch. So I'll go to 9. Hit the S switch once, brings you to the, it'll save 9 and bring you to submenu B, which is the minutes, and we're going to make that 9:30. Close enough, 9:31. So the minutes is set, hit S1. Brings you to submenu C. This submenu, I don't know what it's used for, but what happens is if it's on, which it is now, it will sound the alarm on it once every hour between the hours of 8 and 8 p.m. So it'd be actually 0800 to 2000 hours. It'll sound the alarm once every hour. Don't know what it's for, but to shut that off, just simply hit the S2, shuts it off, then hit S1, submenu D. That brings you to if you want the regular alarm to be on. So we'll leave it on, and you hit S1 again, submenu E. Now, this is where you set the hours. Wait a minute, no, I'm sorry, yes, it is hours for the first alarm that you want to go off. So say that you got to get up at 4 o'clock in the morning. So let's hit the S2. So 4 o'clock, you hit the S1 once. Submenu F, which is the minutes for the first alarm. So we'll just leave it alone. We'll say 4 o'clock. Submenu G is for the second alarm. So we'll leave that on, and we'll set that for 6 o'clock. So you hit S1 again. Submenu H is the hours for the second alarm. And we'll make that 6 o'clock. Hit S1 again. Submenu I is the minutes for the second alarm. We'll leave that at 02. So now we got two alarms set up. One's for 0401 in the morning, and the other one is 0602 in the morning. And hit I again, S1 again, and it gets you out of the program and back into the regular time. So again, S1, one long press, brings you into the submenus, which A is the hours for the regular clock, minutes for the regular clock is B. C, just leave that off. It sets the alarm every hour from 8 to 8. Don't know what it's for. That's submenu D, which is the first alarm, and we set that for 0401 in the morning. The next one's submenu G, which is the second alarm. We turned that on, and we made that for 0602 in the morning. Hit the S1 once more, and it kicks you out of program and right back to the regular time. Alright, and that's it. Runs on a 9-volt battery. Very easy to build. Nothing to it. It's a really nice little, item. And that's all I got for you. Hope you enjoyed it.